Let us take a look at how to find the area of plane shapes that have algebraic dimensions. We're going to first review multiplying algebraic expressions. We'll review how to find the area of plane shapes, and then I'll walk you through some steps that you need to follow to find the area of plane shapes with algebra, and then we'll do some examples applying those steps together. There are two ways to generally multiply algebraic expressions. We have the FOIL method, and then we also have the distributive property of addition and multiplication method. Let's go ahead and show you the two different methods. So we have 4x minus 1 multiplied by 3x plus 11. So we'll start with the FOIL method. So we multiply the first terms together. So 4x multiplied by 3x, we have 12x squared. And then we multiply the outer terms. So 4x multiplied by 11, that is 44x. Your inner terms, minus 1 multiplied by 3x, minus 3x. And then your last terms, minus 1 multiplied by 11, minus 11. And now we're going to group common terms and simplify them. So we have 12x squared plus 41x minus 11. Now we're going to use the distributive property as the next method. So we have 4x multiplied by 3x plus 11 minus 1 multiplied by 3x plus 11. So this is going to give us 12x squared plus 44x minus 3x minus 11. And you have 12x squared plus 41x minus 11. So you can see that both methods get you to the same answer. So how do we find the area of a shape? So the area is generally the size of the surface of an object. Usually area applies to two-dimensional objects. So here if we look at a rectangle, question here is, what is the area of a rectangle whose length is 9 meters and the width is 5 meters? So we can say this is 9 meters here and then the width is 5 meters. So your area here is length multiplied by width, which is going to be 9 multiplied by 5, and you're going to get 45 square meters. So now let's talk about how to find the area of plane shapes. We're going to first state the formula. It's always a good practice to start with what you know. So we're going to state the formula or the equation for the area of the shape. We're going to identify the length of each side required for the area. We substitute the length in the equation or the formula, and then we're going to simplify the expression. And here we're looking at the expression because your dimensions of the shape or the length of the sides are going to be algebraic expressions. So now let's go ahead and apply this. So we have, what is the area of a rectangle? So I'm going to start by saying the area of a rectangle is always equal to length multiplied by width. And so here we have a length of 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3, and our width is x plus 6. And so this is going to be, now we're going to use either FOIL or the distributive property. So we have 2x squared plus 12x minus 3x minus 18. So this is going to be 2x squared plus 9x minus 18. And so this is going to be the area of this rectangle, and we're going to say square feet. The next one we have is, what is the area of the triangle below? The area of a triangle is 1/2 base multiplied by height. So here our base is, so let's substitute, it's going to be 1/2. Our base is 2x plus 5, and our height is x plus 8. So now let's go ahead and distribute this first. Let's simplify the expression and then we divide by 2. So this is going to be 1/2, and let's go in here and I'm going to use FOIL. So this is going to be 2x squared plus 16x plus 5x, and then we have plus 40. So this is going to be 1/2, and then we have 2x squared plus 21x plus 40. And now we can divide everything by 2 or multiply everything by 1/2. So this is going to be x squared plus 21 over 2x plus 20, and this is in square inches. The next example, what is the area of the trapezoid below? So the area of a trapezoid is 1/2 the sum of the bases multiplied by the height of the trapezoid. So let's go ahead and simplify that. Let's substitute actually. So the area is going to be 1/2. Your first base is x minus 1. Let's do this right here. Plus 3x plus 5. And then we multiply this by 4x minus 7. So the first thing we're going to do is to simplify what's inside these square brackets. So we have 1/2. We have x plus 3x minus 1 plus 5, and then we multiply that by 4x minus 7. So this is going to give us 1/2. This is 4x plus 4, and then we multiply by 4x minus 7. So what we can do here is we can actually factor this one out here. So this is going to be 1/2, and then we multiply it by 4 multiplied by x plus 1, and then we have 4x minus 7, and this is going to give us 2. We multiply by x plus 1, and then 4x minus 7. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to distribute x plus 1 into 4x minus 7 and multiply that by 2. So this is going to be 2. This is going to be 4x squared minus 7x plus 4x minus 7. So this is going to be 2, 4x squared minus 3x minus 7. And when we multiply, we have 8x squared minus 6x minus 14. And then this is in square feet. And then our final example, what is the area of a square whose side length is 3x minus 2? So the area of a square is side squared. So the area is going to be 3x minus 2 squared, which is 3x minus 2 multiplied by 3x minus 2. And so let's go ahead and use FOIL here. So we're going to have 9x squared minus 6x minus 6x plus 4. So this is going to give us 9x squared minus 12x plus 4. And then this is going to be in square feet.